The layout starts with an opening tag for a relative layout. The closing tag is all the way down here, and the children XML elements are in the middle. The width and height of the relative layout is set to be match parent. Since this is the only layout for our app, this is going to take up the full width and height of the device. Then we have our first text view that says, I'm in this corner. It's aligned to the parent's bottom and left edges. That puts it in the bottom left corner of the screen. Going back to the quiz screen, the text view, I'm in this corner, is in the bottom left edge of the screen. The next text view says, no, up here. This is aligned to the parent's top and left edges. That puts it in the top left corner of the screen. And indeed we see that no, up here is in the top left corner of the screen. The third text view says, wait, I'm here. This is aligned to the parent's bottom and right edges. This puts it in the bottom right corner of the parent. And we confirm that it's in the bottom right corner. For option B to be fully correct, the last text view should be located in the top right corner of the screen. And it should say, actually, I'm here. And indeed, the last text view says, actually, I'm here. And it's aligned to the parent's top and right edges.